Hello guys, guess where are we now? Yes, we are in the Computex 2025 in Taipei. Now I'm at the exhibition site, so let's just look around. Computex 2025's theme is AI Next, so you can see electronic exhibitors around the world to show their advanced computing solutions. Now let's just enter the door. Wow! Just look around, and you can see so many people. Our booth is at M0403A. And when you enter the door, just turn left. So you can see our booth now. So here is our booth. Now we are at our XR AI glasses area.
So here's our AI glasses products. Take this one. This one is like normal glasses. It can act like sunglasses or normal glasses like we use, but it has a camera right here, so we can take camera through these glasses, and then our software will show our photograph right here. And besides that, you can also do video, take videos for you, and the recording and the dialogue translation. So after wearing these glasses, you can achieve lots of AI functions. After taking photos with our AI glasses, you can take a photo of a black and white car right here and upload to our computer and do background removal. After that, using our big model, we can illustrate the photo to this colorful card. And this is all we work with Intel solutions. And right here is our XR solutions. Here is the glasses you can wear, and you can play games using our game right here. And this one is for video watching. After that, you can have the AR feelings. So this is our audio glasses with AI function. It can act like a very cool sunglasses, but with AI functions.
So now let's go to our indoor information area for rugged solutions. Now we are at our star exhibition area. You can see outdoor rugged tablets here. They are all made for outdoor users, climbing mountains, campings, and so on. So next, let me show you our AI Rugged PC series. This one is our AI Rugged Tablets X15M. It is equipped with Intel Core Ultra processor, Windows 10 to 11 operating systems, and its display is 15.6 inch. Its brightness can up to 1000 nits. Also, you can use it in automatic testing, smart factory, medical, and more scenarios you can choose. And this one is our rugged tablet is also equipped with Intel Core Ultra processor. But this size is more than notebook. And you can see this one is 14-inch, and also it supports 1000 high brightness. They are all past the IP65 protection level and the military standard. So next, let me show you something new. These are our outdoor rugged series. Okay, check out the P2 Pro, a top-notch flagship device. It supports a 6.78-inch screen with high resolution, delivering sharp visuals. And it also powered by the Dimensity 63000 flagship chip and Android 14 GMS OS, and it runs like a dream. If you are a photographer, you can also use this one to take pictures because it is equipped with 48 MP main camera and 32 front camera. They are all perfect for capturing great photos and selfies. Plus, it's IP68 and the million standard 810H certified. It can handle dust, water, and tough views. The P2 Pro really does it all. If you want rugged tablets, we can also recommend you another one. And this one is our latest tablet. It's named T2 Ultra, and it has a 10.95-inch screen with high resolution for clear visuals, and powered by an MT 60878 octa-core processor and Android 15 GMS OS for smooth operations. Also, it features a 20,000 mAh battery with 33. Besides the T2 Ultra, of course, we have the T1. This one is a smaller one. It all depends on your requirements. If you need a smaller size, easier to carry, you can choose this one. And TE also equipped with Helio G99 octa-core CPU, Android 14 GMS operating systems, and its battery is 8000 mAh. Also supports 33 fast charging. Also, you can see our tablets is all past IP68 rating. Okay, next let's go to our rugged tablet pieces area, and this tablet is named TE17X, and it is also with an ARM octa-core processor and operated with Android 12. It runs smoothly, and you can see it's 10.1-inch high brightness TFT display, supports 10-point touch, and the real star is its positioning. Beside i17J, this one is named the Q19, and it's a little special because its CPU solution is ARM octa-core processor and with Windows 11 operating systems. Okay, next let's go to our next part. This one is our rugged handheld, and it's the smallest Windows handheld in the industry. You can say it's 6.5 IPS screen and with cooling glasses. It's also Intel N51000 processor and Windows 11 or 10 operating systems. It have powerful heat dissipation, so you can use it in your storehouse or some high temperature environments. Also, it's passed IP67 grade industrial protection, and you can enjoy it even from 1.5 meter. It's all okay. Okay, next, this one is our latest product. It's named H68T. Its starlight is it's a built-in QR scanning engine, and its scanning distance can up to 10 meters. You can say its scanning model is upon the phone. Yes. If you need 5G networks, it also can choose this one. It's named the H60T. Yeah, we also built 5G models in it. These are classic rugged tablets, and it has also multiple sizes to choose from 10 or 8 inch to 40 inch. And it has multiple accessories to choose.
Laptop is free for bag. Is it free?
Okay, now let's go other side. If you are looking for different models, we can also have 2D scanning NFC model and 5G models to choose. Yes, at our back. Yes, you can see this one is slim than the other one. Okay, turn to our next part. And many people are looking for bigger size rugged tablets, and this one is all meets your need because it's a 12.2 inch display and has a high resolution. Also, it is equipped with Intel Core processor and with Windows 11 operating systems. If you need 5G network models, we can also support. Yes. After this, let me introduce our next area, panel PCs. This one is our latest panel PC. It's named P17J. Look at its 17-inch screen with high resolution, and it is also operated with 11th generation Intel Celeron processor and Windows 11 operating systems. It supports fast and stable signal with dual-band Wi-Fi, BT 5.0 and 4G. Also, you can use it in your factory and so on. It's very convenient. Okay, next let's come to our last part. You can see two vertical pieces on the wall and many function cables. Each cables can connect different devices for your needs. You can have a look. This one is V10J. And this one is V12R. It is equipped with ARM core processor and can support Android 12 and Linux DOS system. It's very suitable for agriculture environment and warehouse management. Yes. If you have more interesting content, please follow us and welcome to our booth. Okay, my presentation is over. Thanks for watching. And also welcome to our booth from May 20 to 23. Bye bye.